Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to Master English, your one-stop place to learn English in the easiest, most enjoyable way. Today, we are diving into something super important for writing and speaking, coordinating conjunctions, also known as FANBOYS. Yes, FANBOYS, and no, it's not a band. It's an easy way to remember 7 powerful little words that connect ideas smoothly. Let's explore them step by step with examples, tips, and fun tricks so you never forget them again. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are joining words. They connect parts of a sentence that are equal, like 2 nouns, 2 verbs, or even 2 complete sentences. The magic 7 are remembered with this famous acronym, FANBOYS. F for A, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, S, so. Now, let's look at each one like a pro. Detailed explanation with examples. FANBOYS. F equals for. Use for to explain the reason behind something. Structure: independent clause plus for plus independent clause. Example: I brought a jacket for it was cold outside. Another one: I slept early for I had an exam next day. A equals and. Use and to add similar or related information. Structure: subject plus verb and subject plus verb. Example: she cooked dinner and I set the table. Bonus: he is smart and helpful. And joins 2 adjectives. N equals nor. Use nor to add a second negative idea. Use auxiliary verbs like does, do, did. Structure: negative sentence plus nor plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. Example: she doesn't like tea nor does she drink coffee. Example: he didn't call nor did he text. B equals but. Use but to show a contrast or opposite idea. Structure: independent clause plus but plus independent clause. Example: I studied hard, but I forgot my notes. Example: she's kind, but she's also strict. Or. Use or to give options or choices. Structure: clause plus or plus clause. Example: will you come with us or stay at home? Example: you can eat cake or ice cream. A. Yet. Use yet to show a surprising contrast, like but with a twist. Structure: independent clause plus yet plus independent clause. Example: he is afraid of heights, yet he went skydiving. Example: she was sick, yet she came to school. S. So. Use so to show a result or effect. Structure: independent clause plus so plus independent clause. Example: it was raining, so we stayed inside. Example: she worked hard, so she succeeded.
Look at the table for quick review. Hold on notebook and note down all important points and keep revisiting this video to be perfect for this concept.